Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Success Sure %. In my last videos, I had discussed about the question answers of the chapter Soils of India. Today, the chapter is Climate of India. Let us see what are the important questions which have been very often asked in your exams. The first question, what do you mean by monsoon? Monsoon is a complete reversal of wind over a large area causing wet and dry and very closely associated to Indian Ocean. It causes wet and dry season and it is very closely associated to Indian Ocean because monsoon originates in Indian Ocean, so we say it is closely associated to Indian Ocean. Next question is, what are the four major seasons in India? The first, cold season, and the duration is between December to February. Hot season from March to May. Advancing monsoon, June to September. Retreating monsoon, October to November. So these are the four different seasons which occurs in India, and they bring seasonal changes and they bring changes in temperature and it brings reversal of winds also. Next is, name two important characteristics of Indian monsoon. This is a very important and common question which is very often asked in your board exams. So the first characteristic is monsoon is unevenly distributed. It is erratic in nature, means you cannot predict when will it arrive. Sometimes it is early and sometimes it is late. So it is erratic in nature and even you are not sure about the amount of rainfall. Sometimes heavy rainfall takes place all over the country and sometimes the amount of rainfall is very less. So that is what it is, erratic in nature. Then name the winds responsible for the rainfall experienced over greater parts of Indian subcontinent. That is southwest monsoon winds. What is the direction of the monsoon winds? That is southwest direction. Now these are the questions which carries 1 or 2 marks. Later on we will discuss the questions which carries 2 and more than 2 marks. Next is, during which month of the year rainfall is experienced in India and why? The months when rainfall is experienced is June, July. You can even write August also, and September. By the time September comes, the amount of rainfall decreases. Why? It is because in these months the southwest monsoon enters India causing heavy rainfall. Next question is, name the state which receives monsoon first and also experiences the longest monsoon season. So we know that Kerala is the answer. Kerala receives the first monsoon, and what is the time? That is 1st of June. So by 1st of June, Kerala is the first state which receives the first rainfall, and this state has the longest also. Then name the state which has shortest monsoon season. That is Jammu and Kashmir. Why is it so? Because by the time the Arabian Sea branch of monsoon or the Bay of Bengal branch reaches Jammu and Kashmir, it is almost dry. So the amount of rainfall in these regions is very less. But due to very low temperature, the rainfall is in the form of snowfall. Then name two regions that receives heavy rainfall. Meghalaya, that is Cherrapunji, 1187 centimeter, and Western Ghats, which is having above 200 centimeter. Some more important questions are, name the type of climate India has and write two characteristics of such climate. The answer is tropical monsoon climate. India's climate is known as tropical monsoon climate. The two characteristics are, the temperature is relatively high throughout the year and alternate wet and dry season is present. Next, give 2 reasons why the entire Indian subcontinent has the tropical monsoon climate. The Himalayas in the north affect the climate of India by preventing the rain-bearing winds to cross the country and provides rains inside the country. The Himalayas also stop the chilled cold winds coming from Central Asia or China. Next question is, what are trade winds? They are strong winds blowing over northeast or southeast towards the equator. They blow constantly from the subtropical high pressure zones towards the equatorial low pressure zone. And another important question, write 2 importance of monsoon in India. We all know India is an agricultural country, and here agriculture needs a lot of rainfall along with good soil and climate also. So rainfall is a very important factor in agriculture. India is an agricultural country and it depends on monsoon. Most of the Indian rivers that help in irrigation receives water from the monsoon rain. So this is the 2 importance of monsoon. Name 3 most important rainy season, that is July, June, July and August. These are the 3 important rainy season. Now let us see the first season as the cold weather season. Now in this season what happens is, whole of India has low temperature. Due to low temperature there develops high pressure. So here on the land there is low temperature and the pressure is high, and over the seas, all over the seas, the temperature is high and the pressure is low. So we all know that the wind always blows from high pressure region to low pressure region. Now let us see the direction of the wind. Here the wind blows from northwest part as well as from the northeast part. Here are the Himalayas. Because of the Himalayas, these winds are not able to cross. The cold winds are not able to cross the Himalayas, so they come from northeast direction as well as from the northwest direction. They are almost dry, but when they come or they cross Bay of Bengal, there they pick up moisture and then they provide rainfall in the coastal areas of Tamil Nadu. This is Tamil Nadu, the state of Tamil Nadu, which gets rainfall during winter. This is the reason that Tamil Nadu gets rainfall in winter, because of the northeast trade winds which blow from high pressure region to low pressure region, that is from land to sea, and when it comes or crosses Bay of Bengal, it picks up moisture and then it gives a lot of rainfall over here. Why? One reason, because here is the Eastern Ghats. The Eastern Ghats are present here, so when these winds strike, they give a heavy rainfall in the eastern coast of Tamil Nadu. So Tamil Nadu gets heavy rainfall during winter and less rainfall in southwest season. Now let us see what are the important questions with regard to winter season. The duration of winter season is December to February. The important questions are, what type of wind prevails during cold weather over the country? The answer is northeast trade winds. Describe the main features of cold season in India. In northern plains, the features are, in northern plains, the pressure is high due to low temperature. Duration of this season is 3 months, that is from December to February. It causes winter rainfall in northwestern part and in southeastern part of India. In northwestern part, the rainfall is scanty, but in Tamil Nadu, the rainfall is heavy rainfall. In this season, northeast trade winds prevail over North India. Next question is, what causes winter rainfall in Punjab? A cyclonic depression originates over Mediterranean Sea. Traveling eastward, they pick up moisture from Caspian Sea in the north and the Persian Gulf in the south and give rainfall in Punjab and Haryana. You can see this one. Here the world map. This is Mediterranean Sea, and as it passes through this region, the western disturbances originates here, and as it passes through Persian Gulf and all these regions, it picks up moisture from here and gives heavy rainfall in Punjab and Haryana in the winter season. Next important question is, what are western disturbances? Name two areas receiving rain from them. Write any one benefit of this rain. This question was given in 1999 and 2005. Western disturbances are cyclonic depression which originates over Mediterranean Sea, and traveling eastward they enter India from northwest and give rainfall. The two areas receiving rainfall are Punjab and Haryana. This rain is beneficial to the rabi crops, mainly wheat. Next is, what is the speed of the wind, or you can see the velocity of the wind which blow in the northern India during cold weather. So the speed of the wind is 3 km to 5 km per hour. We have some more questions. Name and give direction of winds that cause snow and rainfall in the northern parts of India during winter season. The name is western disturbances and the direction is west to east. From where do western disturbances come into India? That is Mediterranean Sea. Name two water bodies from where moisture is collected by the western disturbances. That is Caspian Sea and Persian Gulf. Name the coldest place of India, that is Leh, which has -45 degrees centigrade in the month of January at night. This is the temperature. At night the temperature goes down to the lowest, and here the lowest temperature recorded is -45 degrees centigrade. Leh has moderate, now this is about give reason. Leh has moderate precipitation almost throughout the year. Give reason. Leh gets precipitation in the form of snowfall because it is at higher altitudes. In winter, snowfall takes place from western disturbances. It gets moderate rainfall from northeast and southwest monsoon. Also because it is at greater height and far away from the sea. Next very important question, and this is a common question which you will find in most of the exams. Tamil Nadu coast receives rainfall in December from different sources. Explain. During winter, Indian mainland has low temperature and so the pressure here is high. In the ocean, pressure is comparatively low. So the winds blow from high pressure to low pressure, that is towards land to sea. These winds coming from northeast pick up moisture from Bay of Bengal and while striking the eastern Ghats give rainfall on the eastern coast. So Tamil Nadu on the eastern coast receives rainfall in December. So this is about the questions which has been given in board exams. This is about the winter season. Now we will see the summer season. The summer season starts from March to May. In this season, all over India, due to high temperature, low pressure develops. And over the ocean, the temperature is low and pressure is high. So the wind blows from high pressure region to low pressure region. But these winds in the month of May, March, April, they are dry. They are not moisture laden. Now these winds, when they travel over these areas in the northern parts of India, here due to very high temperature, whatever moisture is there, it is completely dry. So these winds are also dry and due to high temperature, they are known as Lu in northern plains of India. They are local winds which arise from these regions and they are known as Lu. Now Lu is a dry local wind which blows over most of the northern plains of India. In other parts, we'll see that the winds which blow in these regions in south, they are known as cherry blossom or mango showers. Mango shower because they help in ripening of mangoes in the month of April and May. And here also cherry blossom, mostly in Karnataka, they help in ripening of cherry. So they are called as cherry blossom and mango showers because they help in ripening of these fruits. So this is the condition of summer season, that all over the land part the temperature is high and the pressure is low. So the wind blows from high pressure region to low pressure region, and they are dry winds, but due to high temperature, again these winds are hot, and they are in local name they are called as Lu in northern plains of India. Let us see now let us see the questions regarding summer season. The questions are: first, name 3 states where desert storms are common in May. So the states are Punjab, Haryana and Eastern Rajasthan. What is Lu? This is a very common question. Lu is a local wind that develops over the northern part, or you can write that blows over the northern plains in summer season. It develops due to high temperature and low pressure over the plains. Then again almost same. Lu blows over northern and northwestern India during summer season. What is the cause of these Lu? That is hot winds. During May, due to high temperature in the northern plains, low pressure is created. In this situation, wind over the ocean, which has high pressure region, starts blowing inshore, creating local winds, but they are dry winds. Just now I had explained about the cherry blossom and Kal Baishakhi. What are cherry blossoms and Kal Baishakhi? In hot weather season, strong winds accompanied by thunderstorms occur in Karnataka. They are useful for coffee plantations and are called cherry blossom. Then regarding Kal Baishakhi, they are thunderstorms accompanied by strong winds and rainfall. And since they are very strong winds which create rainfall, but before that thunderstorms and lightning makes the situation as if very worse in Bengal, so they are called as the calamity, which means Kal Baishakhi, calamity in the month of Baishakh. So it is called as Kal Baishakhi in West Bengal. Name 2 states where mango showers are common. The 2 states are Kerala and Karnataka. Why they are so called as mango showers? Because in this season, in the month of April and May, these winds help in ripening of mango in Kerala and Karnataka. So they are called as mango showers, and these fruits, when they ripen, they fall down. A lot of mangoes fall, so they are called as mango showers. That is in the state of Kerala and Karnataka. Next question is, discuss the main features of hot season of India. The main features, you may be asked about 2 features or maybe 4 features according to the marks. So let us see the features. Temperature start increasing from mid-March to May. In North Indian plains, the temperature rises to 45 degrees centigrade, but in South India, the temperature is between 26 degrees centigrade to 32 degrees centigrade. South India does not experience very hot season because of the moderate influence of the sea. Lu, which is a local wind in the northern parts of India, Lu blows over northwestern and northern India. Then low pressure region is created over towards end of the month of May. These are the important questions. If you like the video, please subscribe it, and thank you for watching. Do watch the next video regarding retreating monsoon and the monsoon season. Thank you for watching.